makeup. A very long time ago, there lived a family in a city. A 7-year-old named Baby used to live with her parents. Baby's mother was very beautiful and she used to do wonderful makeup too. Baby was very fond of her mother's makeup. While seeing her mother, she always used to think, "Dad, I will look so pretty in the makeup." Once she told to her mother, "Mom, I want to apply makeup just like you." Mother became angry after hearing her words and scolded her.
Baby, makeup is meant for elders. Therefore, you won't apply it till you grow up.
Baby listened and agreed to her mother's word. But her focus was on her mother's makeup. One day, in school too, the class teacher told the students, "Tomorrow there is a parents-teacher meeting in school. Therefore, all of you will come along with your parents. I will hand over the report of your studies to your parents." Baby was happy with teacher's words. "Tomorrow I'll come to school with my mother." Happily, she came to her house and told about parents-teacher meeting to her mother. "Mom, parent-teacher meeting is there in school tomorrow. And therefore, you have to go to the school with me tomorrow. The teacher will give you reports of my studies."
Okay, baby. I will come with you to your school tomorrow. I expect teacher will not complain against you.
"Oh no, Mom, the teacher will not complain against me." Next day, Baby got ready in the morning and went to Mother's room. "Mom, are you ready?"
Yes, baby. I'm just getting ready.
Saying this, in front of the dressing table, her mother started applying makeup. And as always, happily, Baby kept watching her mother. After applying her makeup, her mother picked her handbag and they both went for school. After reaching there, as soon as Mom and Baby stepped inside the classroom, all students thought her mother to be a teacher and wished her good morning. "Good morning, teacher." "Good morning, teacher." "Good morning, teacher." I suppose everyone's thinking as if my mom is a teacher. After all, my mom is looking so beautiful. As soon as they stepped forward, another mother with her child came near them and said to Baby's mother,
Teacher, I'm Bunty's mother. I have to make a complaint against him.
Baby's mother stopped her and said,
No, I'm not a teacher over here. Like you, I also came to have report about my child. Oh, you are looking so pretty in your makeup, therefore I thought you must be a teacher.
Saying this, Bunty's mother went outside the classroom. Baby was very happy after listening about her mother. And then Baby, accompanied by her mother, went to her teacher. Teacher also loved her mother's makeup very much, and she also started talking about her makeup. Baby's mother, "You're looking so pretty in this makeup."
Thank you.
And she forgot to talk about Baby's reports. And then Baby reminded her, "Teacher, you forgot to give reports to my mother." "Oh yes, I forgot. I shall give you reports of her studies to you." After that, the teacher gave reports to her mother and they came back home. After listening to so many praises about her mother's beauty, Baby wasn't able to keep herself calm. "Now by applying makeup, I have to be as beautiful as my mother." After saying this, Baby started thinking. And then she had an idea. I will secretly apply my mother's makeup and then surprise her by showing her my beautiful made-up face. Thinking this, she came out of her room. She saw her mother was working in the kitchen. Crossing the stairs, she went to her mother's room. Mom keeps her makeup box in drawer of her dressing table. She opened the drawer and took makeup box out of it. "Today, I will also apply makeup like my mom." And then she started applying the makeup. One by one, she applied lipstick, nail polish, foundation on her face, and in the meantime, she saw lamp black in her mother's makeup box. "Lamp black is Mom's favorite. Mom applies it every day on her face. I should also apply it. But while applying by mistake instead of eyelashes, lamp black went into her eyes and she started having burning sensation in her eyes. Oh, my eyes! Lamp black got into my eyes! She ran towards the bathroom and washed her eyes with water. With this, lamp black along with other makeup spread on her face and went into her eyes. Due to burning sensation in her eyes, she started crying loudly. Oh, my eyes! Mom! My eyes are burning a lot! After hearing her crying, her mom came near her. By watching makeup on her baby's face, she asked her surprisingly,
What happened to your face, baby?
I was applying makeup on my face just like you.
Haven't I said you to stay away from the makeup?
Sorry, Mom. All I wanted to do is surprise you. After watching her condition, her mother first wiped her face and then cleaned her eyes properly. Then explained her and said,
Baby, makeup is meant for only elders. Kids like you have a very sensitive skin. And makeup has a lot of chemical which can damage skin of children. That's why I always asked you to stay away from makeup. And applying makeup requires a lot of practice. Without practicing, this kind of things happens.
Finally, baby understood why her mother warned her always to stay away from makeup. She said to her mother, I understood, Mom. Now I will apply makeup when I will grow up, and that too after practicing. This way, baby understood an important lesson on makeup. So kids, the moral of the story is that skin of children is very sensitive and therefore they shouldn't apply makeup, and after growing up too, should practice thoroughly before applying makeup.